Jack Jack and his monkey Pat hang out with Matthew. The sun peeked through the window. Jack Jack stretched with a big yawn. Pat bounced on the bed. "Let's go see Matthew," said Jack Jack. Breakfast was delicious. Jack Jack ate biscuits and gravy. Pat stacked pancakes with banana slices almost as tall as himself. Everyone got dressed. They hurried to watch Matthew play t-ball. Pat cheered louder than anyone. Crack! Matthew hit the ball. Pat ran after it before the outfielders could. Next, they visited Nana. The cows walked over to say hello. Pat wanted to help feed everyone. Pat wandered away. Clunk! His head got stuck in the head gate. Everyone laughed while Nana helped him out. It was time to tuck the stuffed animals into bed. Jack, Jack, and Matthew pulled up the cozy blankets. Pat whispered, "Nighty-night." The garden was full of vegetables. Jack Jack picked tomatoes. Matthew found peppers. Pat proudly carried one tiny carrot. Next, they visited Mom. The chickens came running. Pat wasn't ready. A noisy guinea bird flapped his wings. It chased Pat across the yard. Pat ran faster than ever before. After all that running, it was time for an ATV ride. Pat held on extra tight. The splash pad was cool. Everyone got soaking wet. Pat tried to dodge every sprinkler. He missed. Lunch made everyone hungry. Matthew enjoyed a strawberry and peanut butter sandwich. Jack Jack ate peanut butter and mayo. Pat loved peanut butter and banana. Next came video games. Matthew almost won, until Pat pressed the wrong button for everyone. Then it was time for yard golf. Matthew made a great putt. Pat's golf ball rolled into a flower pot. They threw the football. Then they raced toy cars down the track. Pat's banana-colored race car zoomed to the finish line. What a wonderful day. Mom read everyone a bedtime story. Soon, Jack, Matthew, and Monkey Pat were fast asleep, dreaming about tomorrow's adventure.